Hello everyone. How art thou? How are you today in this day of days? How are you today in this day of days? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're doing good. Time to share this on Twitter now. Gotta share it on Twitter. What? Okay. Only a crack dev. This cook cracked stuff. We need new words. Hello, Josh. How's it going, Josh? Hope you're doing well, Josh. Hope everything's going well for you, Josh. Hope you're feeling good, Josh. Hope everything's going well for you. How's the audio, Josh? How's the audio? I'm good, man. Just dandy. Just dandy. Oh. I'm messing up. I'm messing up. It's the first time I've done that. Alrighty. Alright. Tailwind is cool. Bro, you're such motivation. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm enjoying Tailwind. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. I'm going back. Do front end mentor and doing hold on, let me see if the custom emojis work. How do I do custom emoji? Because I did a custom emoji. So I think how do I do an emoji? Oh, it's right here. Bam. Emoji. Bam. Emoji. That is cool. Yay, emojis. All right. Last night I got accepted into the YouTube partner program. And I can now accept memberships and things of that nature. And cool things. Oh, that's if I'm a net runner. No, I want to see the membership if I'm a... Okay, anyway. Alright, so... I'm now YouTuber. Okay, let's leave that alone. Today we'll be learning Tailwind again. But first, it was a project that I messed up on yesterday. So I'm gonna just go back and fix it. This project right here. This background thing is not backgrounding correctly, so we must fix that immediately. So what I'm going to do is, my only problem with Tailwind so far is like it is very messy CSS. I mean very messy This is not a bad trade-off. Yeah, I'm not gonna complain about that. All right, so the body, get to head off now, but enjoy the learning. Enjoy, Josh. See you later. All right, so we got the body. We got this div. I want to wrap all of this in a div. Maybe. Yeah. How's Tailwind? Tailwind is going fine. Can't complain about the Tailwind so far. What div is that? Oh, okay, that's this div. So I'm just gonna go here and then put this here. Okay, that's okay. That's all right. We're gonna change that. First, we need to change this. We need to change this. Change this. Change this. And we need to change. Okay, so that's right there. And then we have another div right here. I think which one is this one? I could have sworn I put them in the same div. Oh, it was relative on here. Problematic. Okay. So why don't we just go ahead. Okay, will it change it? Let's see if we can do height. Cool. Okay. And width. Cool. Okay. Problem is I want it to be absolute, so I'm thinking it would. So maybe I need to do like top 0. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now that we got that, so we make this right there, and then what we need to do is go here. Okay. That's Z. Let's make this Z20. How do I do this? Well, let's first get it into position. Let's say right. I'm good. How are you, Arbor? Can we do negative? Okay, so now we just need to put it behind. And this is where I'm confused because I want this to be, if I put block and then I put Z10. Okay, I can't do that. Can I put Z40? How do I put this in front? That's the question. 'Cause this is relative. Seems like this never comes into play. What I don't understand is they're both in the same div. Okay. So they're both in the same thing. You think I got the Z indexes swapped? So this is Z40 and this is Z0. So are you saying I need to do like that? That didn't work. Z indexes in Tailwind not working. Yeah, maybe not. I don't know. I thought the higher the Z index, the more forward it goes. Yeah, me too. So I thought if we put this at 0, right, and then we put this one at 40. Oh, do I need to? So this says absolute. Oh, okay, I think I know. Do I have to put relative here? Okay, yeah. All right. Got it. Got it. Should I say container? Ooh. It's weird. When I added container to this class, it became different. Nice. I recently started a coding journey on January 1st. It's been a fun month. Yeah, man. It has been a fun month. Been a fun month. All right. That's weird that when I maybe I can do oops. There we go. I would rather it not overflow, but it is what it is. I think we can add some padding. Should I add padding on the container? Padding container. What? Interesting. Let's not add it there. Let's add it here. All right, so that's finished. Thank you. This is from yesterday. So I'm just learning Tailwind. Just learning Tailwind. Git, add a, git commit. Git commit. Y'all can hear the rain okay? Or is it too loud? Is the audio okay? I hope it's okay. Git commit m. All right. So we finished that. And I think what we're doing now is, oh yeah, we finished most of Flexbox, so y'all can't hear this though. I made it so that nobody can hear it. So I think what I'll do is I'm gonna open Tailwind QR component. No, Tailwind sandbox. Okay, here we are. And we're all the way in Flexbox. I have heard of Scrimba. I had a couple of people I know use Scrimba. Cool. All right. So let's make a div, and in that div we're going to have, how many did he make? 10. So we're gonna have div item, we're gonna do times 10, right? And we're gonna say class grid. Each I'm gonna have a class where they're let's say the height is 10 and the width is 10. The background color is white. The text is blue, 500. So we're gonna have a background of blue. I should have just added that to blue. 500. All right, so we have a grid. We have our grid. And our grid is gridding. It's just looking weird. Oh, he added a padding 10 to all of them. I can see that. What happens if we do that? Okay. Hmm. Okay. So we can say we want 3 columns. So if I would have did 2, then like that. Okay. Okay. So we got that, all right. Is the stream still on? Can y'all hear me? All right. Okay. All right, cool. All right, so next. Okay, so we can do gap as well. Oh, the dog about to go crazy. The dog about to go crazy. Hold on, y'all. Hold on one sec. Good. We good. Good. Okay. Grid columns 2. So I can say grid rows 6. That'll expand it. Okay. All right, we cooking. We cook-a-looking. I'm understanding what you're throwing there, buddy. So what if we had? Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, this ain't the place for that. You gotta Google it. This is not the place for that, buddy. Well, number one, let's take this off. What's up, virtual education? So let's do columns 3, row 3. Okay. So now what I want to do is oh, beautiful. Oh, that makes things so much easier. Nice. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So then I can do, okay. I could do row span to up. And then I can go to 8 and I can say 8 call span to. Oh, look at that. What's up, Sibbish? What's up? Oh, powerful. So I could say what? Oh, interesting. Okay. 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 Tailwind is tailwinding. Transition and transform. Okay. Okay. So what else we got? Transition and transform. All right. My bad. Hmm. Thank you. I appreciate you, virtual education. YLYF-DD1H. Let me. Okay, so we're doing transitions now. So we did. Hold on, what? Oh, okay. So we did Flexbox Grid. All we got is transforms, transitions, animation, customization, and config in dark mode. We making. Oh. Okay. Let me stretch a little bit. Let's do what is it? We've been doing this for 34 minutes. Let's do a 5-minute break. 5-minute breaky break. Somebody asked, can you help me configure OBS? Definitely not. Hi bro, why you use inline style? We're using Tailwind. You wear lungy? What is a lungy? I don't know what a lungy is. I have no idea what that is. What is a lungy? Anyway, we're taking a 5-minute break. 5-minute break. So come back at 11:45. No. You mean like they do in India? No. This is a blanket. It's a regular blanket. Okay, 5 minute break. All right. Okay. All right. Let's start the Pomodoro. What's up, Nate? The next one. How's it going? So if we do come over here, transition colors. Okay. And then we put a duration. Oh. Oh, what? Oh. Oh, I see. Hmm. If I do transition all. now we're doing animation classes and keyframes. That's actually great that I'm following you, because the thing is, I'm from another point of the planet, you, and still, and yet still knowing that I'm not the only one who's trying to learn coding. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. You're not alone. What's up, Trey? What's up, new?
We are kind of limited with the CDN. And in fact, if you look at the console, it says that the CDN shouldn't be used in production. You should use either post CSS plugin or the Tailwind CLI. We're going to set up an environment with the Tailwind CLI for our bigger projects. Okay, but that is configuration for one of them. At the docs, we want to see more. That's fine. In the next video, we're going to use something called dark mode in this Tailwind. Actually, can tell if your operating system is set.
Come on, Udemy. Stop acting. Stop tripping, Udemy. Please. Udemy is tripping. It doesn't want to see me shine. See? Well, that happened. It's not your stream. It's not your stream, it's me. Don't worry. At least once or twice every stream, the stream goes down. It's not you, it's me. Promise you. It's not you, it's me. Let's make sure the stream is still up. Yeah, it's still up. Alright.
Alright guys, now we're going to look at a feature of Tailwind called dark, which is actually really cool. So you can specify a prefix of dark, and you can actually have that pertain to your operating system. When you're on Mac, Windows, I've never actually used Linux, but I'm sure that that's possible. But if your OS is in dark mode, you can actually have a prefix that will dark code. And the style of that style will only be in effect if you're in dark mode. Let me show you how example of that. Also make it class-based, so that if you have a class of dark on the wrapping element, then you can use that as well. Example of that too. So let's go.
What's up, noob?
And I just have a comment in here that just explains that if you have your project use whatever your OS is in, you can also use the class dark class. And we're going to be using a toggle button so that we can toggle the dark mode, and then we're going to add a little bit of JavaScript. And that toggle button, that styling, is classes I got from this link here. So, which is a great site for reading. So let's start off with this. Just going to delete the comment here. Right? And we're going to have a div use a container. So let's say container, we want the container to the middle, so let's do x dash and touch. And we're going to give it a background state. Save that. Now my operating system. This is just show X in here, so each screen.
It's all of this. So I'm finished with part 2. What's today? Tuesday? Yeah, we're making good time. So we got this. There's project 1, 2, 3, and 4. And projects 1, 2, 3, and 4 are our friend and mentor project. So there you go.
Here, let's do more stats and text. Okay, and then on page 3, we're just going to have a paragraph. Let's do the text. Slate dash. Say I have document selected. I'm going to go ahead and click on label, and now this actually changes our source.
All right, 5-minute break. All right. I'm gonna start again. Time to start again. Do 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 do. Boop 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 boop. Okay, so let's go. Okay, hold on. Start. Pause this. Nah, it's not raining. What's up, Cactus? I'm learning Tailwind. I got y'all listening to the rain, and I'm listening to a tutorial course. However long it takes. All right. Now we gotta. Now we're moving on to. I finished section 3, so we finished section 2, section 3. All right. Now we're on create an environment with the seed. Okay, let's see. Okay. So looks like he wants us to go to. If we go to docs and then we go to get started, it should be somewhere over here. Get started. Oh, play. The site is different. It takes some people time to get used to using Docs Dolo. Started with tutorials, so I get over 11 years to graduate from. So the thing is, Cactus, you just joined this stream. I've never seen you before, or maybe I have, but you have at least 40 plus streams of me going through the MDN documentation. So if you want to see me go through documentation, you are free to do that. If you want to see me go through documentation yesterday, you'll see me go through Tailwind documentation. So there you go. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. It is importante to reading is fundamental. Seeing somebody using, should I even respond to that? Probably not. All right, let's see. Okay, so now we are in the course and we are going to create okay, so let's just see what he's going to do. Okay, so so I know what I'm gonna do. We got our emojis over here. Let's start with let's create a new folder. We're gonna call this Tailwind Starter. It takes a it takes some people time to get used to using Docs Dolo. I also started with tutorials, so I get it over 11 years ago through. I think it's okay to use tutorials as long as you don't become completely dependent on them. If y'all noticed, if y'all were here yesterday, when I was learning new topics in here, I went straight to Front End Mentor to apply them. So I think it's important to learn the theory and then immediately apply it and go through the documentation. So if you go to, I think, have I been doing this for the last 2 days? If you look at the last 2 days, you'll see me go through the course, go through documentation, go through a project, and then when I didn't know something, go through the documentation after I Google it. So basically what I'm saying is shut up. Here we go. All right, so we're just gonna open this in Visual Studio. We're gonna open folder, desktop, Tailwind start. Select folder. Oh, I can't put that over there. Okay, so we got our he said if I hold on, I didn't know there was a command for that. No, is it? Hold on, is what? Is it? Oh, there we go. Yeah, look, we learning. Pretty sure. Pretty sure I already do. Ooh, let me write that down. Let me write that down, baby. Let me write that down. I can tell this is something that I'm gonna need to learn, that I'm gonna need to know. Howdy, what's up? Phelan69, that's an interesting username. I'm glad you're here. Love you so much. By the way, y'all, I just joined the YouTube partner program. So if you want to support your boy, your unemployed learner over here who's trying to become something in the world, you can always become a member of the channel. And it's only $1. Yay. Yay. Tailwind starter. Okay, so the first thing we do is npm init -y, and that, okay, let's go back. Okay, so it creates a package.json file. A package dot JSON file. It's like a manifest. Okay, so we got number one. So number two, we go back to the Tailwind site and okay, let's see. Okay. Learning. So he said we need to, okay, so we need to make this a little bit smaller. And then we need to install Tailwind CSS with the CLI. Okay, so let me just, what's this website? Is, okay, so we go to Tailwind installation docs, and it is Tailwind. Some of y'all might be wondering, why am I taking notes? I recommend, this is what I did when I learned Git. Take notes, please, as you learn Git. Git is weird. Take notes. It's very important. Okay, he caught me off guard with that one. So, hold on. Whoa. Where's that? Hold on, what? Tailwind CLI. Why is his different? Love the grind. What's up, Bruce Sales? What's up, homie? What's up, big homie? We gotta grind. I can't be broke forever. He said getting started. What I don't understand is, oh, is that the editor setup? Nah. Hold on. Tailwind CLI. Hold on. Whoa. Let me see. License type common J. Okay. So we need to install Tailwind with npm. Okay, I'm gonna just follow what he's doing. So he said we need to do npm all right, so the next thing was npm, the I is for install and the D means that it's not, let me see, it means that it's not what? Okay. So the I is install and the D is means it's not what? It's, hold on. D dev dependency, not production. So I'm assuming that installs Tailwind. All right. So that installs Tailwind. So that's all right. So now, so we had the package.json from the first thing we did, which was npm init y creates a package JSON file, man. Okay, and then we have a package dot mock.json, which I guess is for Tailwind. It's 4.1.18. Okay, that's okay, whatever. And then we have, oh, so it just does it. Oh, it's just all here. Oh, so hold on. So I don't need to go into. Oh, look at this. It has it all right here. Hold on. Is this what he was talking about? Version, import style. Is this the config? Hold on. Pre-flight CSS. What is that? No. There was something that he was. Package. Nah, this is not the file that I thought he was talking about. But it's okay. It's okay. We're learning. Okay. All right. We're cook-a-looking. All right.
So that install
Oh, okay, okay. So this is where the config file comes in. So we got npx tailwind css init. Creates the tailwind.config .js. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. We cooking, we cook a looking. Okay, okay. So we do, so this is the config file that I thought was already up in there. So npx tailwind css init. I need to remember that tailwind is all together. Okay, it's okay. I'm pretty sure I'll leave the notes like that. Hold on, what? npx tailwind css init npm error could not determine executable to run. Complete a log of this run can be found. What? Why didn't this work? Ah, I see. So it's different docs for different versions, and I had to choose the version at the top. Oh my god. Oh my god. So then how do I get that file? How do I get the file? I didn't get that. So obviously I'm doing something wrong, but it's okay. We're gonna figure it out. Okay, okay. Let me stop before I mess something up. How do I get this config file? Let's type that in. npx tailwind css init not working. Dang, time for me to take a break. I gotta take a break. Okay. Should I get a snack? Should I get a snack? I'll get a no. On my long, I should have a long break soon. This should have been my long break, but on my next break, I'll get some food. What's up, Kayel Hajj? What's up, man? How's it going? Oh, doing the Pomodoro is what I should have been doing from the start. I'm doing good, man. No lick. No licky lick. I don't want to be licked. I don't want to be licked. Did y'all know that you can become a member and you can enter 25 to 30 minutes working, 5 to 10 minutes break? Yes, it does great. It is great. It does great. It does great and it is great. Right, Malachi? Thank you, Phelan69. Have a good day at work. Don't stress. Take deep breaths. Subscribe. Like. Taking more than 5 minutes makes you lazy? Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, that's fair. Oh my god, I just had deja vu or at least a flashback. It was a good flashback. Remember? I had a flashback when I was so confused. I just had a flashback from my younger years when I was extremely confused. It was a confusing day. I wasn't confused overall. You ever have those flashbacks? The feeling of a day? What is this right here? Oh. Confusion taking me away. I have them all the time. I was having them yesterday. I've been having them more as I study. Hmm. Study, study, study. Study, 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 study. What is this number? Is this only number 2? I swear this is number 4. Or is this a second break? I don't know. I could have sworn we've done. You gotta lick me. Just enjoy the scratches. Is learning English hard? I don't hear good things. I think learning any language has its difficulties. All right, Malachi, we gotta start. Oh, baby. Climb. On my next break. All right. So okay, let's start. So in the installation for version 4, um, you have to so I need to add this to my Tailwind. I might need to start this one over. Cause he did his. This is completely different. This is version 3.4. Here's the docs. Nah, let's see if I can keep going. I didn't get that file. Yeah, I messed this all up. Let's see if we can start over. Can I go ahead? Can I just delete all of this and start over? Let's see if I can. Oh, it was command and then tilde. Yeah, all right. So, let's just go to 3.4.2, whatever the hell, because that's the one they're using in the course. So, the first thing we did was the npm. Okay, hold on. Stop it. I don't need you to understand my code for me. I want you actually not to do that. All right, so we got that. Okay. Then we're gonna do this one, because that it actually installs the CSS. All right, then we can do, what's up, Code Dwivedi? Are you one of my Indian brethren? NPX. I was just now watching a guy vibe coding and saying you need to code a single line. You don't need to code, you need not code a single line anymore. You talking about the dude that's saying that he's gonna vibe code until like he reaches $1 million or something like that? Is that him? Oh man, yeah, you know what? I found that a lot of my videos are some people come from his video to my videos. Like I get recommended from his videos. Um, I guess it depends on what your goals are. Is he a software engine? Was he a software engineer prior? Because if he was a software engineer already, like if he already coded professionally and he's using code, he's vibe coding now. That's more like, sorry, let me pause it. That's more like him. He is now in a space where he can be an architect, right? Because he already knows now I'm just saying if this is the case, if again, if he was already a software engineer, which means like it's like a project manager on a big construction site. Like you have to know how everything works already. So if he was already a programmer and then now he is like basically overlooking the code, being a project manager, architecting everything, then I could see why he kind of feels that way. But I don't think somebody who has been developing for, I've never heard somebody who's been developing for a long time saying you don't need to write a single line of code anymore. I haven't heard anybody that I know that's professional, right, that has said that. They have not said that to me. If anything, they say they find it refreshing that I'm learning how to code without AI. They also feel that learning this way will, when I do use AI in the future, if I have to, it'll make things, I don't know what's going on. So I don't know what to say about that man, but good luck to him. All right, let's continue on. Okay, NPX, Tailwind CSS, and Knit. But for me, it is more than just writing code. It is more than just writing code. If you watch my day zero video, I talk about how I wanted mastery over something. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay. So I can't do that. Can I just put this, friend? Or all right. How do I have the rain sounds? Hold on. I'll pause this for a second. Okay, so in OBS there's a thing called application audio capture, right? So I have it linked to a video that's being watched right here in Chrome. So that's how I do that. All right. So hold on, we need an input.css file. Hold on. So I need to make my own? Oh, that's what that other plugin was for. Let's see. Where was it? Okay, I'm gonna enable this because sometimes it messes up other stuff for whatever reason, but I'm gonna enable it today. Okay, so I'm gonna create a new file called input.css. Oh, this is a, okay, it's an object.
And we want to specify inputs dash I dot slash input dot CSS. Okay, so that's the input. And then we're going to define output, so dash O. And this could be anywhere on the file. Okay, that's what I'm going to do is put it in a CSS folder. Call it style CSS. Ultimately, that's what we want to do here.
Okay, so then the output.
Alright, so I'm going to copy this down, and then the second one I'm just going to add on dash dash watch, because this will keep watching. This is what we want to be in our development, so we want to change the script to watch. So build. Save that. And now I'm going to put on the sidebar here because you'll see that when I run and on build, you should run. You'll see it's going to create a folder called CSS and then style CSS. That's what
Okay, so hopefully this works.
save that.
So Tailwind CSS dash input output and watch. So then we do npm run build. Okay. Okay.
You'll see that when I run and on build, you should run as well. You'll see it's going to create a folder called CSS and then style CSS. That's what I said. Alright, you can see this is the Tailwind CSS file, so it has all this stuff in it. Alright, and that's what we want to put in our HTML folder, which we don't have yet, so let's create that. There's HTML. And let's just put it quickly here. We want to make sure we include
Hold up, did he do watch?
and let's just put quickly CSS. That's what I said. Alright, you can see this is the Tailwind CSS file, so it has all this stuff in it. Alright, and that's what we want to include in our HTML folder, which we don't have yet, so let's create that. Let's just make sure we include CSS styles difference.
Oh, oh no. Okay, I understand. So let's go back to that config. Don't listen to stupid fucks saying you shouldn't use AI. Everyone is using AI now. I'm a senior and I have 15 years experience and use it every day. Honestly, if I have to be honest with you, brethren, I'm really tired. Oh, it's not coming up. Something's wrong. I did something wrong. I'm creating, I'm learning how to set up this.
Let's save that. And now we couldn't build again. It still didn't PM push constantly push this one. Right? You'll see this right here. We build it. Every time you save, you'll see that. It's constantly watching our index HTML and our input CSS and it's compiling to here. Right?
Okay, well then let's try the npm run build again. It's not populating. Is it because of this? Nope.
File, you know, and right on your operating system or you use live server. And if you're using that with VS Code, that's what it's doing. And you can see we have a larger text here, so we can use it as market. And save, and it just gets applied, and you don't have to reload. So, alright, so at the same time it's compiling here again, so server. And now basically we have a environment that we can just create our projects. So we're going to stop this down here. So anytime we want to use it, we just run the npm launch, or we just want to run something from npm. Now before we get into our mini projects, I do want to show you why I use in this input CSS file use a public function directive.
Maybe I missed something that he did. Sometimes. If this is unexpected, double click the content option in your Tailwind CSS configuration. Okay, yeah, let me go back because I think that's where I messed up because I was trying to be fancy. It's going good. I'm just trying to set this. This is the first time I'm setting up like an environment, I guess. So I'm trying to figure this part out. What motivated me? Um, I'm broke, and I like coding, but I think I like coding more than anything. I was like asking myself, what am I good at? No utility classes were detected in your source, but I'm not using source. I'm using this. Bro, he made me do something completely different that is just not working. Okay, I guess this is okay. Okay, so let me just go live. Put this over here. Say npm run watch, and then do text 3xl, and then put it below. Hold on, what? Oh, okay.
want to open this file, you can open it by using operating system, or you can use web server. And if you're using that with VS Code, that's what you can see now. Right here, so we know that Tailwind is working according to red dash 100 save, and it just gets applied, and we don't have to reload live server. Alright, so at the same time it's compiling here, and we're also using live server to launch these lines. So let's go ahead and just open that. And now basically we have a environment that we can just duplicate and then create our projects. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop this down here now with Command Control C. Anytime we want to use it, just run run watch, or we just want to build once. Before we get into other things we can use in this CSS file, we can use our call function active as well. So in the next video, we'll go into our projects and we'll just talk about that function. But we just want to build once and we can view. And you can see we have line of text here, so we know that Tailwind is working according to red dash 100 save, and it just gets applied, and you don't have to reload because we're using live server. Alright, so at the same time it's compiling here, and we're also using live server to launch these lines. So let's go ahead and just open that. And now basically we have a environment that we can just duplicate and then create our projects. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop this down here now with Command or Control C. Anytime we want to use it, just
With Command or Control C. Oh no, there's a Copilot command, Lord. Oh, what's up, Red Cyber Noah? I didn't see you there, man. You can go to my GitHub. It's exclamation point GitHub, and you can see some stuff that I've made. Let's see. What did you study until now? I'm joining you. I am thinking about streaming my journey too because it's so hard for me to keep studying 10 plus hours a day. It would be nice to share your advice. You can go to my GitHub and you can see some. Dang, the break already started. Stop. All right. You go to my GitHub and see. Okay, now I need to figure out why Tailwind IntelliSense is not working on this. Why don't I just close this? Open this. Actually, let's go here. Visual Studio Code. And let's just try this again. And IntelliSense still isn't working. Tailwind IntelliSense. Maybe I need to go here. Oh, that worked. Okay, I just had to restart it. Isn't that crazy? Okay. Hello, Zeno. Okay, so what I'm about to do is get some food and I'm gonna come eat it over here and then I'm gonna start this clock and I gotta let him out. So, is it a good GitHub? It's an okay GitHub. It's getting there. It's getting there. Okay. So we have beef stew. I have some beef stew that I need to get. So let me get my beef stew. Let me let the dog out. So love you. Letting dog out. Getting No, I'm gonna be here. I'll be right back. Try Zen browser, you love it. I'm okay with Opera GX. I'm gonna have to get Firefox because I said I was. So Firefox is next. Oh my god. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. All right. Hold on. It is cold. It is very cold. My God. Oh. Oh, that feels great already. Oh my God. Oh, y'all just have no idea, man. We ain't used to the cold here. It's been a consistent. Well, it's 46 right now, but it's still freezing. I got soup. I got stew. Beef stew. All right. Chill, Malachi. Hold on, y'all. Yeah. You got me signed. Thank you. I'm about to put them on right now. Okay. I just got socks. And I got some shirt. Thank you, Steph. And I got a shirt. Ooh. Got another shirt. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. This is a quarter. You got me a quarter zip. Thank you. I don't think she can hear me. Yeah, I gotta start eating healthy. I'm getting fat. I'm about to put these socks on right now. Oh, Lord. Both. At this point in my life, Santa always comes every day. I'm just glad to have family in my life. Hey, chill out. Malachi. Malachi, chill. Hello. I've been to Uzbekistan before. I was there for like 3 days. Uzbekistan. It was for work. Bye, stuff. Thank you. All right. Thank you. You're from Uzbekistan? Uzbekistan is where I got my first massage. What's up? It's Dose. My aunt gave me the clothes. One of my favorite things is socks, so I'm very appreciative of having her in my life. Thank you, It's Dose. Oh my God. I woke up to beef stew. You know, I got a lot done today. I did my taxes. Did y'all do y'all taxes? The people in the United States, did you do your taxes yet? I'll consider that a Zeke. What's up, Ruma? How are you? You use TurboTax Tray? What do you use? A Zedbeck. Okay, I put too many veggies. I like veggies, but I don't like too many veggies. I put too many veggies in this bowl. How much do they take? Did they take out a bit? That vegetable tasted like meat. That was crazy. That was crazy. I'm gonna tell y'all, I would instantly fall in love with anybody who makes me stew that has nothing but tendon in it. Only tendon. I love tendon. I love tendon. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. I love tendon so much. I love tendon so much. We got a lot of healthy food in here today. We gotta eat healthy, y'all, cause I guess I'll tell the stream. Your boy got an eating disorder. Binge eating to be specific. So I'm working through that. I'm trying to have a healthy relationship with food. I have a problem with sweets. Sugary things are my issue. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Sugary things are my issue. Are we still on? Cause okay, yeah, we here. No, oh no, we got salad up in there. I ate a salad yesterday. I put too many vegetables in this. Oh, with salad. Oh, you have your beef stew with a salad, with a side salad? That what you mean? Let me go. Let me get. Let me get something to. No, no, as a side. Yeah, that's what. As a side. Yeah, a side. A side. ASID. A side. Oh, okay. Okay. Delicious. Delicious. Recommended. Bring your doggy ass back in here. Hey! Simply something. There's a brand in the U.S. called Simply something. I'm gonna have to when I go back in the kitchen. I'll let y'all know. Mm. Mm. Not too sweet. A little tangy. A little tang tang. If you know what I mean. Now I got beef stuck in my teeth. Hold on. It's it's all natural strawberry lemonade. Mm. Mm. Oh, I feel so cozy. I feel so cozy. Doesn't it suck that we have to put the word all natural before we have to put all natural in front of like foods and drinks and stuff? Like, shouldn't it all be all natural? Ain't that some sad stuff? Sad state of affairs. All right. What's up, Roja? How is the weather in San Antonio? My God. Cause it is cold. My feet are I'm double socked up. I got two pairs of socks on. Okay. Did you have to go outside or are you working remote or something? Ridiculous here. Had to come into the office today. Oof. Oof. Okay. Layered up. It's the only time of the year I'm glad I'm a little fluffy. Okay? Alright. Now it's time to I just washed my blankets and I don't want to put them on the floor. Those like I'm very specific. Like I hate when things touch the floor. Like I'm very. I don't know. Where's the? Okay, here we are. All right. So let's continue. Ooh. All right. Look like Senator Palpatine. All right. So now we begin. Oh, and I put some shoes on. I got some slides on or something.
Get into projects. I want to talk about functions and directives and documentation here. But before that, whenever we start a new project, what I want you to do is take the Tailwind starter that we just created and duplicate this, okay? Because you don't want to put your project in here because then so you want a clean starter to start with. That's my colleague. So let's just copy and paste that. Alright, so now I have simply Tailwind starter 2, and I'm just going to take this one and put it off to the side for the project. So that's going to be kind of the process throughout this. Or, like I said earlier, you can still use the seeding method. Let's go ahead and now change this. I'm just going to call it scrolling functions. It's not an actual project, it's just to show you.
So what he's showing is something called functions and directives. Directives. Functions and directives. Oh, Roja said, "What did I eat for lunch?" I just had beef stew. What did you eat? Oh, I love pho. I was just I literally was just talking about I want a soup filled with tendon, and it was pho that put me on tendon in soup. It's going good. How are you? Okay, we are finished with section 4. We are starting on section 5. Hey, what are you stuck with? Let me jump on call and help. No. 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 I'm not stuck at all. Okay, so now we start the mini project section. All right, let's go ahead and I need to. How do I start? Okay, star. Oh, congrats, Romo. Good job. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and all right. And now that we got that, I'm going to dinner time. What was the name of this? It was Tailwind course projects. All right. So then we had the mini projects. All right. I'm gonna go over here. Hmm. Oh no, we don't add a class to that. What am I doing? Okay, let me think. Can it tell?
So, just use flex box to center. And then the card is going to have kind of background, colors, and then inside there we have a flex container with the image as the first item, and then this text right here as the second. They're going to be in a row, okay, so horizontal. But to start with, the screen is going to be column step.
Yep.
Just keep that copy.
What's up, 21?
To center it. Now, it's going to call this background. Center and so that'll center them horizontal.
Hold on. Let me go in this other folder and grab. Okay. It was a Tailwind QR component. And let me actually. Do you see it now? Yes. All right. Yes, I'm live in the middle of your night. So, to let y'all know what we're creating, we are creating this. Can y'all see it? Hold on. What the hell? It's not showing. Hold on. Will YouTube videos show? A YouTube video will show, but y'all can't see. What? Is that how all the Udemy things are?
Alright, so now we're going to start on the pricing cards. We've got the same we did around it.
What the hell? Why is it showing black? I can see it on my screen, but y'all can't see it.
So horizontal. But to start with, the ring here, it might look a little different. Watch out. But the first thing we're going to do is create a new folder. That actually center and justify. So that'll center horizontal and
Okay, so first he wants us to create a background container, and it will be display flex with the item centered on X and Y. So we create a div. Oops. Let's say flex justify enter items center. Okay.
now it's wrapped around printed profile.
Uh, break time. Break, 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 break. This is a long break, but we're gonna do a short break. I already took a long break. Oh. Before you started this, did you have any coding experience? I did a project in C# for my undergrad. I did it in Unity. Does that count? It was a very, very simple Unity game. Why are you asking? Why are you asking, Kupit? Why are you curious? Backpack, backpack. Yes, I'm doing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And I'm learning Tailwind right now. Are you uploading to GitHub? Make sure you upload to GitHub. Start uploading to GitHub. Um I think I got a YouTube short. I'm gonna start giving people the YouTube short. Yeah. So you watch that video I sent you, that short that I sent you, and then you can use a site. If you look at my video yesterday, you'll see that I went to this site and I was like, okay, went to the easiest ones. I did this yesterday. I did this yesterday. Right? I learned HTML, CSS, and I started doing projects. And you can go to projects on Front End Mentor. Bam. Man. Taking a breaky break. It's not bad. It has its problems. It's a problem solving issue. But it seems like the more, like, I feel like a big game changer was understanding arrow functions, and then the next game changer was understanding array functions, and then modules. I had already objects. Oh, and putting functions in objects. Yeah, man, that was crazy. I didn't even know you could. Well, I knew you could put functions in objects, but I didn't think of using an object as like a a tool filled with functions for a specific set of tasks, if you will. Now that I'm thinking about it, I should have organized my code better on that last project I did. Okay. Yeah. I'll plan on learning it. I'm from the United States, Rishi. Thank you for the subscribe, Chrissy. I appreciate you. Okay, so the card will have the background color, let's just say, and then we're gonna have a background color, BG Slate. He said 800. Is this updating? There's a lot of reasons, but if you go to my day 0 video, I have a day 0 video. It'll explain everything to you. I promise you. So we want it to be, we want it to have a padding P2, margin left and right, which is on the x-axis of 6, and then rounded 2xl. All right. So then what he wants to do is create a flex container, and that flex container is going to be column at start. Okay, so oh, okay, okay. So what is this, the image? Hold on, what? It's interesting that he would put that on the container and not. How's it going? Hope you read the chat. It's going great. How are you? All right. So I don't want to copy him verbatim, but I'm just gonna copy what he says and then try to build that myself. So he says, since Tailwind is mobile first, we want flex. Oops. We want flex, then flex all, then on medium screens, we want our flex row. Then we want rounded L XL. So we need to put this right here. All right. And then inside here, I'm assuming we're gonna have our image and then our description. All right. I always want to ask, was you and Genius in the childhood, what were your grades? No, I haven't built a music player. He was one of the smart ones, Lord. Okay. I think what's gonna happen is I am going to call it for now and then stream a little later. This might be a 2 a day. Oh, I'm at 2,000 subscribers. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you. Appreciate you so much. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna be on later tonight. This is gonna be a 2 stream day. And um, by the way, I wanna thank y'all for watching me on this journey. 2K is a big deal. And learning Tailwind is a big deal. So, guess what's gonna happen now is, by the way, if you want to, the roadmap is finishing this Tailwind course and then finishing the JavaScript course, and then after the JavaScript course, we do React. So there you go. And if y'all want to support me, y'all can join. Y'all can get y'all's membership. I think it's like $1. If y'all interested, it will help me. I guess my channel just got monetized yesterday. So if y'all want to help my broke ass while I'm on this journey, it'd be much appreciated. I think React is tough if you don't know JS already. So which is why I want to spend a lot of time on JavaScript. So anyway, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. I will be on later this evening. I'll be doing it 3 hours, probably three. I'll probably do 2 3-hour streams a day. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. All right, y'all. I will see y'all later today, later tonight. I have my night stream. Y'all have a good one. Thank y'all so much for all the love and support. Thank y'all for watching my stream. And I hope y'all having a good time studying and learning. All right. Bye-bye.